Good morning. I'm Dr. Edward Buckley from Duke University, and I'm here at the Will's Eye Conference. And I will be giving a talk this morning on the future of pediatric ophthalmology and ophthalmology. I don't profess to be an expert in this area, but what I will introduce is a business concept called disruptive innovation. And disruptive innovation is a methodology by which you can look at things and predict what's going to happen going forward. And so I'll spend most of my time talking about this concept, but once you see it play out, it'll be something that you will be able to use on a daily basis to sort of see where the world's going, not only in the field of medicine, but also in the field of finance, business, and maybe even in your own personal life. So we look forward to talking with you, and happy to be here at the Will's Eye Conference.